Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Linet, in case you're new here, hi and welcome to the family. So in today's video we're going to be working on my friend, and this is the before look, and what you've just seen is the after. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to start off with the eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the spoolie brush to brush through the eyebrows, and then you're going to follow it up by using the Davis eye pencil color number 3 to outline the brows as well as filling them. Just in case you're still struggling with your brows at this particular moment, you can watch my video that I have just recommended above. So after outlining the brows, go ahead and fill them in and avoid the places that have hair. Just fill in the necessary places, the places with gaps. That way your eyebrows look more natural. So when that is done, you're going to move on to using the Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and we're going to be using that to clean out the eyebrows. And I'm using an angled brush for this. So the outline that you made pencil should guide you on how to clean your eyebrows. That should be easy because you're already following an outline from the pencil. This is basically like tracing. So when that is done, we're gonna prep our eyelids for the eyeshadow, and I'm using the same concealer that I used to clean the brows. Then we're gonna move on to using a fluffy brush to diffuse the concealer so that you can have a smooth base for the eyeshadow. So we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette volume number 1, and we're going to start off with the dark shade of brown on the outer corner of her eyes. To which we're going to build up with a darker shade of brown than the previous one, just to intensify the eye look. When that is done, we're gonna move on to using the the Ashes eyeshadow palette, whatever you call it, the Ashes eyeshadow palette. And we're gonna be using this neutral orange shade to diffuse the edges of the first transitioning shade. Use sweeping motions for this. When that is done, we're going to be using a gold shimmery eyeshadow on the inner corner of her eyes. The next step, you're going to be using the same brush, the same brush that we used to apply the first shade of eyeshadow to blend out the edges between the gold shimmery eyeshadow and the first transitioning shade. Next up, you're gonna go in with the Kiss Beauty eyeliner to draw an eyeliner right after her eyelashes. We're not gonna be doing a wing eye today. Just in case you wanna learn how to do a wing eye, I'm gonna recommend a video above. The next step, you're gonna move on to the Dermacol mascara, and you're gonna use it to clean up the fallouts from the eyeshadow application. Just in case you notice that my voice is a bit hoarse. I have, what is it called? I have chills, so I'm kind of sick. So we're gonna move on to foundation application. You're gonna be using the usual, the Maybelline Superstay foundation and the Damp Beauty blender. For application, tap it in. The next step, while I was applying the foundation, I let the eyelashes get like tacky, the glue to get tacky, so that's what I'm applying her right now. Application of false lashes. Then we're gonna move on to highlighting her face, and you're gonna start off with the under eyes as well as the bridge of the nose and the mustache area. Then blend that in. We're gonna use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the areas that we highlighted, that is the under eye, bridge of the nose, and the mustache area. We're gonna move on to the Black Opal compact powder to set everything in place, that is to set the entire face. That way you get a matte finish. So that would be it from me today, guys. She opted not to have a lipstick, but you can do a lipstick on your own. So that is the final look. Let me see you in my next video. Till next time, bye.